Gemini 3.5 Flash has been released with a new design and improved performance. In this video, we are going to test this model and see what it's capable of. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to not miss the next videos, like this video, and the most important, join our AI newsletter. It's completely free and you will receive the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you will receive the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Before we test Gemini 3.5 Flash, we can go on the website in order to see the benchmarks. As you can see, Gemini 3.5 Flash is the best in the Gemini family in order to code. In the long context with 1 million tokens, we can see that it is at 26.6%. Here we have the model information, so we have an input token of 1 million, we have an output token of 64,000 tokens. The knowledge is cut off at January 2025. It is available through Gemini app, Gemini API, and other ways. In order to access to Gemini 3.5 Flash, we have to go on this website, gemini.google.com. And here we can see that if we click on Flash, we have the 3.1 flashlight, we have the 3.5 Flash, we have the 3.1 Pro, and we have the thinking level, so standard or extended. So we can select 3.5 Flash, and here we can see that we have the plus, and we can upload files, we can add from Drive, we can upload more with photos and notebooks, we can create image, and we have more tools with Canvas, Deep Search, Create Music, Guided Learning, and Personal Intelligence. So now we're going to test Gemini 3.5 Flash. I have the Flash model selected, and here is my prompt. Recreate the storyteller in HTML. I can submit. As you can see, Gemini 3.5 Flash now asks question. For example, would you like the complete standalone HTML, CSS, and JS source code to copy paste? And if I click on yes, it will start to generate the entire code. And now we have the entire code that has been generated, so I can just copy it. You can click on this button in order to redo the generation, and you can listen, export to docs, draft in Gmail, export to Replit, report legal use, and see response details. So now I can go on HTML runner and I click on the first one, and then I have to paste the code. I just have to click on run, and here we have the entire game. So we are going to test if it works. So I'm going to click on new game. For example, if I click on this deck, a new card is going to appear. I can click again and we'll see that the deck arrives at an end. And here we have no cards left, and if I click again on it, then it will go from 0. As you can see, I can try to drag the card in order to put it under the 9, but it doesn't work. I have an ace, and if I try to drag it, I cannot, so it doesn't work. I have a new prompt. So in a basketball league with two teams, Team A currently has 12 wins and Team B has 7. There are 10 games left to play. How many additional wins does Team B need to become champion if Team A doesn't win any more games? Explain your reasoning step by step. So I can launch the generation, and now we're going to see the answer. So here we have the step-by-step thinking. Step 1, we are told that Team A currently has 12 wins and will not win any more games for the rest of the season. Team A's final win 12. Step 2. For Team B to clear Team A and win the championship outright, they must earn at least 13 wins by the end of the season. So we have to do 13 minus 7, and it is equal to 6. And here we have the conclusion. So Team B needs 6 additional wins to become the champion. And this is the right answer. And if I go on the more and I click on see response details, here we see that the thinking steps does not work for the moment. In this video, you discovered a new look for Gemini. You understood that Gemini 3.5 Flash in coding is not the best, but in thinking problems or reasoning, it is really good. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.